EagleRidge Expert Kitchen Remodeling in West Point, Utah. EagleRidge is your trusted partner for exceptional kitchen remodeling and renovation services in West Point, Utah. We bring expertise, creativity, and craftsmanship to every project, ensuring your kitchen is both beautiful and functional. Our process begins with a detailed consultation to understand your vision and needs. From custom kitchen designs and cabinetry to high-end countertops, modern lighting, and smart home integrations, we handle every aspect with precision. Whether you're looking for a complete renovation or a stylish upgrade, our skilled team delivers high-quality results tailored to your lifestyle. At EagleRidge, we prioritize quality materials, innovative designs, and seamless execution. From L-shaped and open-concept layouts to luxury finishes and eco-friendly solutions, we transform kitchens into stunning spaces that enhance your home's value. Trust EagleRidge to bring your dream kitchen to life in West Point, Utah. Call us today at 801-784-2457 or visit EagleRidgePros.com to get started.